Good morning, dear Shining Stars. Welcome to the computer class. I hope you all are good. Children, today we are going to learn some features of Microsoft Word 2016, which is your lesson 4. So let's begin. Today I'm going to tell you one feature which is very important, and which is my Format Painter. My cursor is here on Format Painter. This is a kind of a brush tool. You can find it out. It's a brush tool, right? So what for this is used? The Format Painter is actually used to copy and apply for text formatting and some basic graphic formatting such as borders and fills to another selection. Now let me explain it to you. See children, if I just talk about this document, you can find it out. Modifying the text in Microsoft Word, it has background as yellow color, and down you can find out this is the font of the text is different, and it is in uppercase letters. The background color is red. Similarly, down one paragraph it has different writing style, means the whole document is with different formatting styles. So if you want to have it in a similar formatting, so generally what happens is, if we get some content from the internet, and if the content is of different styles, different writing styles, and different pages, so once we copy down, you will have different styles of writing in your document, and it doesn't give a neat look. So for that you can change, and you can have the similar kind of a formatting in the document. So what for that this is Format Painter is used. So what I can do is, I can go to Format Painter. So I'll double click on this Format Painter, and I can go here. See, the brush kind of a thing will appear. So I'm going to hold my this key from here. I'm going to select the whole document, the text, and just find it out. The whole document has appeared in the same writing style and same background color. So like in the beginning, we are modifying the text in Microsoft Word. It is in capital letters and background color is yellow. The whole text in this Microsoft Word has appeared in the same formatting. So this is a nice feature. Now coming to the next, I'm going to undo this. Now coming to next is Find and Replace, a wonderful feature once again. So I'm going to go to Find. So it is going to ask me, what do you want to find in this document? So I want to find out a word sign in this document. So I'm going to write here sign, S-I-G-N. Now children, you can clearly see in your document, wherever the word sign is, that is highlighted. Now what do I have to do? I have to replace this word with some other word. For that, what do I have to do is, I have to go to replace. I'm going to go to replace, and it is going to ask me now in this dialog box, find what? Sign. Okay, that I have found the word in my document. Now I am going to replace it with which word? Suppose I am going to replace this word by symbol. So I am writing here symbol. Now do you want to replace everywhere, wherever the sign word is? Yes, I'm going to replace all. Wherever sign word is, I'm going to replace that with symbol word. Replace all. Okay, do you want to search the rest of the document? No, it's okay. I've done 4 replacements have been made. So I'm going to close it. Now you can see wherever the word sign word, that has been changed into symbol word. So symbol, symbol, symbol. So wherever the word sign was, this sign word has been changed into symbol. So children, these are the 2 features I told you today. So I hope you understood these 2 features, and please do practice it. That's all for today, dear children. I hope you understood the topic well. And if you have any query, you can drop that query in the Google Classroom. So till then, take care of yourself. God bless you.